Alien monster. Oke. Huhuy, huhuy, huhuy. Tahu gak biru-biru artinya lama karena ya. Waduh kam. Apa yang terjadi guys? Soalnya tadi aku update guys. Apa yang terjadi? Ya. Tutup ikannya sampai nggak bisa masuk guys. Kita menyelesaikan bab lanjutkan ke bisnisnya.
A new test subject has arrived. Perfect timing. What do you mean you're not the test subject? That's ridiculous. Hurry up and get in the chamber. Testing awaits.
Okay.
Like I must get to the end of the room without getting crushed by these machines.
Aku bisa sampai pondol.
Wonderful. You seem promising, test subject. Proceed to the next check.
Wah, bisa guys ternyata.
Hello there, stranger. Can you help me solve this puzzle? I need to connect the matching colors without the lines touching other colors. If you fail, I will kill you. I lose my temper easily.
1 menit guys, kurang 4. Oh guys, ada ikan guys, konyol.
Thank you, stranger. You're the best. Goodbye for now.
Excellent work, test subject. You're smarter than you look. On to
Guys.
the next chamber, please. Your goal now is to survive our lasers. Be quick to dodge, and don't stay in one place for too long.
Bye guys. Oke, semua terdiam. Swipe? What do you mean? Okay. No. No.
Well done. You did well avoiding the lasers. Time to teleport you back. Subject. You perform well beyond our expectations. Step into the next chamber. It will be your final. This will test your memorized skills and reflexes to the max. Good luck, test subject. We have high hopes for you.
Kuning, hijau, yellow, green, merah, kuning,